Hi students, I am going to continue with the previous session, previous topic, that is from logical indexing. So now we will find who has species ID that is equal to 451 from the POCORDEX data frame. Okay, for this just type POC POCORDEX square bracket equal to 51. Just execute this. Just execute this file. Okay, this is the script. Just run. So these are all these many IDs having the species ID. If you want to try with the what you say the different attribute, no, just copy. Just I want to know now poke dollar poke cordex dollar what you say height 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 is equal to 7. Okay, just select and run. So these are all the Pokemon having height 7. Okay, so this way we can extract the data uh, with particular elements by its name. So this will give you what you say the details of the logic that you have written here. Okay, this is what the extraction, indexing the data from data frame. Now let us learn how to get the values of any particular attribute for all the Pokemon. So we will fetch the names of all the Pokemon. For this, we need to know the values in the first column. Click the script data frame. Okay, in the source window, type poke pokeRdex. Then within square bracket, inside double quotes, give the Pokemon names. Okay, just select this file and give press enter, run. So 811, so it will just only extract the names of the Pokemon and it will display, it will give you for reference. So these are all these scripts like commands that we can execute, index the data, extract the data from the biggest data set, data frame. So if you want to store this to a different variable, to a new variable, to the other variable, just like assignment operators, just assign it to a new variable. Okay, then now let us view the names of the Pokemon, what we did, like, okay, in the source window, type the you have to type the following command, like what you say, can we have to take only the what the Pokemon and their species ID, only what we say, we are extracting only the two thing. Okay, as how we did it in the 2 comma 3. Okay, this command can execute only the second and third column. So now let us extract a subset. We can create a subset from POCORDEX data frame and we will create a new set, that is what we call a subset of Pokemon who have more than 150 as their base experience. So base experience is one of the variable. So we will create a subset of 800 from the 811 observations who has have the base experience more than 150. So this is called slicing a data frame. Note that there is a column named base experience in the POCORDEX data frame. So for the required subset of Pokemons, their base experience should be greater than 150. So for this subset, what has to be shown? We shall only show the uh, Pokemon species ID and base experience. We are just only slicing the required data. So this is the what do you say, the data. Just I am, it is a lengthy thing I have copied. See, subdata is subdata. We are I am naming that data set that you have to create it as subdata. Okay, you can name it according to your vision, your convenience. Subdata, we are assigning that as a subset of poke ordex. Poke ordex is the main data frame where the base experience is greater than 150. That means we are going to slice data which is having the base experience more than 150. See this line, okay, this one. So okay, more than 150. Selecting those base experience greater than 150 and concatenating to a new file the Pokemon species ID. Yeah, it's very very important. Species underscore id base underscore experience. Species underscore id and base underscore experience. We'll see what what's going to happen. Just select an error in evaluating. Just a minute, I will try. Base is equal to c. Okay, just a minute. Create a subdata. Subdata is equal to subset of pokeordex comma base experience greater than 150 comma select equal to c names played and one object base experience not found. Just see here, base underscore experience. Okay, yeah, I will write it newly. See what are the things that we want from for our new data subset. Mm, for the new subset we need a Pokemon comma species id comma, just it is a very it is case sensitive, base underscore experience. Base underscore experience. Here base underscore experience. Okay, so now it has been created. So we have created a subset. We have created a subset taking this Pokemon species ID and base experience which is greater than more than 150. Okay, if you want to view the subdata, view subdata, just run. See, it has extracted only the Pokemon species ID and base experience. This is what creating a subset. So this comes under slicing. So in R with a master big data sets, master data or big data set, we can index, we can slice it, and whichever form and whichever attributes that you have, you can do it. As you can try with many options. Okay, so what we have learned from this session is we have extracted rows and columns. You see, this is rows and columns, and we have created a subset and retrieving the data. We are retrieving the data using double square brackets. Thank you.